Want to get lean and strong, but don't know where to start? I've got you covered with a simple yet powerful 7-day workout plan that will have you burning fat and building muscle in no time. Ready? Let's go. Day 1 is all about pushing. Think push-ups, shoulder presses, and tricep dips. Day 2, we focus on pulling with pull-ups, rows, and bicep curls. Day 3 is leg, day no skipping. We'll hit squats, lunges, and calf raises to build a solid foundation. Now, for the fun part. Day 4 is a full-body HIIT session to skyrocket your metabolism. Think burpees and high knees. Day 5 is active recovery, a light jog, or a long walk to help your muscles repair. Day 6, we're bull back tool body strength workout, combines from the first 3 on day 7. Rest. Your body needs it to grow stronger. Remember, consistency is key. Pair this with a good diet, and you'll see amazing results. For more detailed workouts and tips, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's get fit together!